So now we will start with Marqo. Please welcome Marqo to the stage.
Hi everyone, my name's Jesse Clark. I'm co-founder and CTO at Marqo and really excited to talk to you today. Before I start, I just want to have a show of hands. Who's ever bought something online? Right, everyone. Who's ever had difficulty trying to find what they're looking for online? Right, everyone. So this is one of the problems that we solve. So we provide the infrastructure and the intelligence so our customers can help their customers find what they're looking for through really good search and recommendations. Redbubble generated an extra $9 million in revenue by using Marqo's multimodal machine learning to power their search bar. Envato, they're a stock image and stock assets company. They sell this to graphic designers, for example. They're able to increase their downloads and engagements once they moved to Marqo. When you used to search for things like backgrounds on Envato, you were greeted with pictures of pasta shells. After Marqo, you were greeted with vibrant, colourful backgrounds. From signing up to production A/B testing in as little as 5 days. So the time to value with Marqo is very short. And this is enabling developers to take this really good AI technology and implement it very quickly. All of this technology is really a credit to the team. So my co-founder and CEO, Tom, I'm joined here today by the VP of Engineering as well from Pandu, as well as many trusted advisors and our investors. So one of the key things is that we're currently built on AWS, and that's where we started. However, many of our customers cannot and will not be able to use AWS as the underlying infrastructure provider. And so we need to have multi-cloud. And so we need to be able to onboard customers to things like GCP. And that's what we've been able to accomplish as part of the accelerator. So I'd like to welcome Pandu onto the stage to give a quick demo of what this looks like.
Awesome, thank you. Thanks, Jesse. So we'll have a look now at what it's like for our customers and our customers' engineers, as well as what it looks like for their end users. So this is creating a new account on Marqo backed by GCP. So start by just filling out your account name, and you select Google Cloud. And here's where you would enter your billing details. So let's go to an already created account, and we'll spin up an index. So an index is where you would ingest your documents for your e-commerce catalog and where you would search against. So first of all, you name it. And we're going to do an image index because a lot of e-commerce products have like images, and that's a very important part of selling them. So we're going to choose a Marqo trained model, this e-commerce model, which is a state-of-the-art model trained by our science team. We're going to select a GPU node for the infrastructure. And we just click create. So this wouldn't have been possible. Basically, what we did was we got this done in about 2 months, as opposed to the original version of the cloud, which we did over 4 months. So that was only possible thanks to the help from the Google Accelerator team, so shout out to them. So it takes about 5 minutes to spin up one of these indexes. So we'll go to an index that's already made so we can test it out. So you can simply use the snippets to start using the index. So you can imagine as a developer, for one of our customers, they just go here, copy the snippet here, just a curl request, paste it into their terminal. You can see the query there, it's a flying plane. And then they get results back straight away. So yeah, that's the query here is text. And we match a flying plane document. You can see the highlight here is actually an image URL. So this is saying that it actually matched against this image represented by this URL. So we can see what this URL looks like. And it is indeed a flying plane. So that's text to image search straight away. So really easy to get started for our customers' developers. So let's have a look at what it looks like for our customers and users. So here we are on Envato's photo search, which is backed by Marqo. So what we'll do is we'll do a query here. So we're doing a very specific query, a dog and a cat looking at the camera. So a very, very specific query, and we can see like the results are highly relevant and kind of exactly what a customer is looking for. So this is a very good experience for the end user. so which is the main value that Marqo provides. So yeah, next steps for us is to onboard a couple of customers in the next quarter, one of which has hundreds of billions of dollars worth of revenue, so that's super exciting. And yeah, thanks everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesse and Pandu. It was incredible. We have a question for you. We saw a lot of e-commerce use cases, but can Marqo be used for other domains?
Yeah, that's a great question. So we provide, yes, underlying search and recommendation technology. And so this can be used for many other domains. So we have a lot of e-commerce customers, but you can use it for any kind of AI application will effectively need some search. And so we see, retrieval augmented generation, chatbots. We see verticals around, in the medical domain. We see sales and RevOps. So it's really, really pervasive, this technology, and very widely applicable. So yeah, and definitely come and speak to us. Any search problems, this is us.
Amazing. Thank you very much.
Thanks.